Greetings from Hackensack, New Jersey. It's time to make some wild fish with fresh organic herbs. And there's some grated Parmesan in here, breadcrumbs, Dijon mustard, juice of 2 lemons, and some extra virgin olive oil. So my wife came home with a couple of pounds of Icelandic cod from Costco. So I have some organic spinach in here. I'm just going to drizzle that with some olive oil. I'll put these cod pieces down. These are nice and thick. And then the herb mixture is going to go on top of each piece of fish. I'm going to add tomatoes, olives, and capers. The capers have been rinsed to reduce the sodium a little bit. So here's the herb mixture. And then I'm going to put some cheese over the whole dish. This will take 15 minutes to cook in a 400-degree preheated oven. So I would estimate, I did some of the preparation ahead of time, but it'll take about 15 minutes to prepare this. I've chopped organic parsley, cilantro, and a little bit of organic arugula that I bought at Whole Foods. Okay. Tomatoes. These are plum tomatoes from Costco, Sunset brand. They're getting a little too ripe. This is a fish and vegetable medley. Here are the pitted olives and capers. You could put other vegetables in here, asparagus, mushrooms. Use your imagination. And then a little fish on top. Little grated cheese on top. And it's ready to go into the oven. So the fish is ready now. Look at this beautiful fresh, wild Atlantic cod from Iceland. I have a little crushed red pepper or Aleppo pepper. I'm just going to add some to the finished dish. It's mildly spicy, but it's a great finishing touch for eggs, fish. Icelandic cod with the herb dressing, tomatoes, maybe another piece. I'm going to eat this without a side dish tonight. Glass of wine and a big organic spring mix salad to finish the meal. Look at that beautiful fish. Enjoy!